Ladies and gentlemen, what's going on? Once again, I'm your friendly neighborhood basement-dwelling kitty cat, Dune, Johnson, Ginger, Tigger, Battle Cat, Basement Cat, Barn Cat. The kids just call him Bam Bam, but I like to call him Dune Johnson. Anyways, today my boy Bill Gates hooked me up with this 50-pound eMac. This thing's literally 50 pounds. Anyways, the eMac was released about last Thursday. It was released for education. If you were within education, the price was about $1,000. But if you were not an educator, it was available to you for about, what, 1,100? A whole 1 gigabyte of SD RAM. That's not even DDR1. Wow. And apparently I don't even have the password for it. Life is hard. Always updates with these Macintoshes. What's going on? Oh, head of supreme intelligence, why do Macintoshes always need updates? Is there no web browser in this thing? Where's Safari? Might be a little too outdated for the YouTubes. Even though this computer is made for educational purposes, this is the first time I've run across it. Back in the day, in the small town, you didn't run across Apple computers very often. Now, my wizard friend in the big city said it was there. Back in the day when it came out, it was a big deal. But man, in the small town, things like vaccines, running water, eMacs, these just things you don't hear about so much. You kids are so spoiled with your packaged food and cooked food, what? And you, what's your excuse, little lady? Even Jesus laughs at us around here. Oh, my poor little puppy, I love you though. So I'm pretty sure the iMac was the first unit that came out in a way that didn't have a floppy drive. All it had was a CD drive. And, you know, like these days they're saying, yeah, we're making all of our Apple laptops. They only have USB-Cs because we're so brave and stuff. But this seems to be a precursor to that kind of idea. I can only find the eject button within iTunes. Not bad. I prefer a button, though. Look at the way they keywayed their USB. They just had to be different. It's not just a phase, Mom. It's who I am. Holy snot, boys. Look at all the fly crap on there. Little black dots, that's generally fly crap. Did you know there's different kind of flies come from different kind of places? You ever see those green shiny flies? Those ones are crap flies. They were born in crap. They love crap. Little black ones tend to be more of the born on rotting meat kind. There's a lot that you'll learn when you grow up on the farm. I'll tell you what, Bobby. Anyways, you get down under, and you get Phillips head. Mr. Leahy taught me about all the shit flies. Anyways, in there you can see we have the SD RAM. And over here, you can tell why we have blood on our hands by purchasing this. Foxconn, the makers of high-class suicide nets for their buildings. Apparently this is about the first introduction of aluminum to the Macintoshes. Now this is a CRT, and if I want to change the hard drive, I gotta get frickin' right into it. Now remember, if you're ever getting into a CRT monitor, be careful. Don't be messing with that stuff too much. It can explode, and while I'm sure all of you would love to see me do that, it ain't gonna happen today. Not today, Skelly Beans. Wow, just noticed that cute little battery down there. Must be the BIOS battery. Look how cute. Look how cute. And over here on the side, you can see the peripherals that this thing will take. I believe that's Firewire 1. No, that's monitor. Firewire. And we got telephone network 3 USBs and headset, all that fun stuff. And then the power button. And if you back up and put it on its side, it kind of looks like some kind of laser gun. Apple laser gun. Pew pew. I have a really bad habit about picking up all-in-one apples and then just never doing much with them. Yeah, one day I'll figure out what I'm doing with them. Anyways, folks, that's it from me and Rainbow Cthulhu. I have a Rainbow Cthulhu and you don't. That makes me a better human being than you. Have a good one, folks. Take care of each other, will yas?